My cheeks are red, I'm too hot, can't you tell? Sniff, 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 time to take a rest. My muscles are stiff and sleeping would be best. Green mechanical is the nurse, but who can service, carry the bus? Cough, 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 I'm not feeling well. Snip, 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 Gecko isn't well. Think, 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 pick up all the tools. Plan your jobs, now that's the only rule. A polish and weld, a wheel change would be good, but which tool works, that must be understood. Take care mechanicals, these are not toys. Some things are heavy, what's that noise? Sleep, 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 I'm not feeling well. Take my medicine, I'm not feeling well. Oh no! Oh. Bump, 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 something isn't right. You've gone too fast and the wheel is stuck tight. Slow, 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 time to be a team. Check those tools, it's not as hard as it seems. Which tool works to loosen that wheel? I already know, but I'm too ill. Rub, rub, rub to polish and shine. Turn, turn, turn to get the wheel in line. Smile, 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 now I'm very pleased. Mechanicals have done the job with ease. They have worked well as a team. Now I'm thinking, is this a dream? Smile, 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 what a good team. Smile, 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 a very good team.
Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done? Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's garage. See you all soon.
All right, mechanicals. Max wants to get better at jumping, so we need to upgrade his engine. Blue, could you see who's at the door, please?
Who is it, Blue?
I hope you enjoy my little present, Gecko.
Ooh, what's this? A present? I wonder who it's from. Wow! A new car jack. Let's test it out.
Since I put that spring in the jack, I think you'll find it a little bouncy.
Mechanicals! Oh, thanks, Mechanicals. I think that car jack is a bit broken. Wait a minute. Okay, Max, give it a try. I guess there's a use for everything. Good work, everyone.
Yuck!
Hello, everyone. We're just upgrading the car wash so it can spray paint. Okay, Mummy Truck, go! Now we just need to wait for the paint to dry. What shall we do? How about a game of hide and seek? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. Have you seen Baby and the Mechanicals, Mummy Truck? Where could they be? Could they be? Maybe I'll look over here. Ha! Found you! Now it's my turn to hide. Next time. Bye.
Oh, hello everyone. Grandma and I are working on Molly today. As you can hear, her suspension springs are creaky from bouncing around so much.
You know, Gecko, what helps me when I feel a bit creaky is yoga. Yes, my mini metal ones, yoga is a stretching exercise for your body and mind. It's like oil in the joints.
Yoga sounds brilliant, Grandma. Perhaps you could teach a yoga class for everyone, vehicles included.
Suppose I could show you some moves. Welcome, friends. Is everyone ready? A gentle stretch to start. Let's twist and turn. Perfect. Now the other side.
Don't worry. Creaks are normal.
Let's try another stretch. Gently rock on your suspension. Well done, everyone. Forward and back, forward and back. Let's get those giggles out and try to focus now. Deep breath. Good. Reach your arms if you have them. Oh dear, we've turned into a gaggle of giddy gigglers. Oh, Gecky, could you help us get back on track, please?
Of course, Grandma. Those squeaky, creaky joints just need a quick fix to move smoothly and quietly. The tool I need is an oil can. Gecko's garage, time to fix! A drop of oil into the joints helps the parts move freely and function as they should. On Tilly's steering, on Molly's suspension, and on Eric's bucket arm. Namaste. We saved the day.
Let's celebrate beating that creaking with an extra special stretch and pose. Don't look so worried, my dears. Yoga is supposed to be relaxing. Oh. Maybe a little too relaxing sometimes.
Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, hello everyone. We're having a beach day today.
The mechanicals are playing hide and seek with Helena.
Have fun! But don't go too far. If you get lost, stay put and call out.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here she comes. Gecko, look!
Salty screwdrivers! That's seed bog! And it's rolling in fast! Mechanicals, stay where you are and call out. We'll follow the sound. There you are! Oh, we found you! Oh, yay! It's Helena's tail rotor.
But where's Helena?
Don't worry, Cat. We'll find her.
Wait! Listen! I can hear Helena! This way! We found you! Ay, qué bueno!
But look! The tide's coming in! We need to reattach Helena's tail rotor! Quick!
See, Gecko, without her tail rotor, Helena will spin out of control!
What tools do I need? Screwdriver, wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this! Hurry now, mates! This fix is a race! To beat the tide and get this rotor in place! This bolt will hold your rotor tight when spinning fast during flight. Now let's adjust the rotor here so it can help you balance and steer.
Magnifico! Gracias, Gecko.
Oh, you're welcome, Cat. We did it!
Oop, gotta fly. Quick, now take off before the tide comes in. See you back at the base.
Woo! Goodbye, everyone. Success, Mechanicals! Another happy customer.
Oh no! It's a disaster! Oh,
What's wrong, Mr. Weasel?
it's Sly! My precious sports car has a dirty mark.
Sly's welcome to use our car wash.
My Weasel wash is far superior. Come along now, Sylvester. Stop dawdling. You need to be here. Uh-oh. Oh, no. No, not me, you robotic wretch. Oh. Sly! Do something! Oh, no, you clumsy clown!
Sly needs our help, Blue. Quick, grab my toolkit.
Oh.
Blue, hand me my wrench. This Weasel wash has gone wacky. Are you okay, Mr. Weasel?
Never better.
Glad to hear it. Oops, Mr. Spot. Blue! Blue, where are you? Hello, everyone. We're working outside today because Fiona's ladder is stuck. She's too tall. Oh. We'd better check your tyres too, Fiona. Oh, Blue. Could someone get the car jack, please? Good job, Red. I'll just get my wrench. Bouncing bots! Don't worry, Red. We'll get you down somehow. Green, yellow, fetch a blanket. I have an idea. Red, when I say let go, you let go, okay? Let go! Oh. Blue, it's time to be a hero. Ready, Blue? 3, 2, 1, go! Don't worry, we'll catch you! Phew. You saved the day, Blue. Hooray for our hero. Come on, Super Mechanical. Let's finish Fiona's service. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello, everyone. It's Baby Truck's birthday, so we're having a party! And I've invited Baby Truck's heroes, Fiona Fire Truck and Dandy.
Zoinks! That's Fiona's emergency alarm! Sorry, Baby Truck. We have to go. Someone needs our help!
Poor Baby Truck. She wants to help Fiona and Dandy and be a hero just like them.
Don't worry, Baby Truck. They'll be back. It's your birthday, so... Vamos de fiesta!
Spinning screwdrivers! Your balloon is stuck in that tree!
Leave this to the cat.
Be careful, Cat! It's a long way up!
Ay de mí! And a long way down!
Don't worry, Cat! We'll get you down! Oh, but how? Oh, if only Dandy and Fiona were still here. Oh, I have a plan! But we'll need your help, Baby Truck. If I attach a ladder to your roof, you could reach Cat like a fire truck!
What tools do we need?
Drill. Wrench.
Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this.
First, we need to drill some holes through the ladder for the bolts. Then, we secure the extendable ladder in place by tightening the bolts with my wrench.
There, ready to rescue.
Hurry, porfa!
Baby truck, reverse up to the tree and we'll extend your ladder. You can do this, baby fire truck. Steady now. Brave baby saved Cat from the tree, just like a real fire truck.
Muchas gracias. You're my hero.
And our hero too. This calls for a special birthday present. For such a daring rescue, I'm awarding you a Hero's Medal for birthday bravery.
We needed a hero when Cat got stuck, and it was our friend Baby Fire Truck. Goodbye, everyone. Let's dump.
Hello, everyone. We're giving Fiona Fire Truck a service. It's been a long day. Excuse me. Now, what's next, Mechanicals? I think this is yours, Blue. Now, what were we doing, Mex? All done? Spinning screwdrivers! That went quickly! Hello, everyone. Today, the Mechanicals are in garage school, where they learn lessons in mechanics. Baby Truck's engine was making a clicking sound, and that meant her starter motor needed replacing. So what did we do, Mex? We disconnected the battery, unbolted the old starter motor, then bolted in the new one before reconnecting the battery. And now Baby Truck's engine is all fixed. Oh, it sounds like someone's here. Hello, Fiona. Hi, Dandy.
Oh, Gecko, Fiona's wipers aren't working, which means we can't see properly in the pouring rain.
Don't worry, Dandy. We'll fit Fiona with new wipers right away. Next garage school lesson, replacing windscreen wipers.
Can I join garage school too, please, Gecko? But I haven't done my homework.
It's okay, Dandy. We can all learn and work together. Now, first, we unscrew the old wipers using a
screwdriver! Here you go, Gecko.
Thanks, pal. All fixed. Well done, everyone.
Oh, thanks, Gecko. I love garage school. That's the emergency alarm, which means someone needs our help. We have to go. Goodbye, friends. Oh, no. Fiona's engine won't start. Oh, it's not working.
Mex, can you hear that clicking sound? Exactly, Mex. The sound means Fiona needs a new starter motor. But you know how to do this fix. Don't worry, Mex. I'll be right here if you need me. You can do it.
What tools do we need?
Wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we have to disconnect the battery. Detach the cable carefully. Great job, Red. Now unbolt the old starter motor. That's it, Yellow. Now to bolt in the shiny new starter motor. Make sure it's nice and tight with the wrench, Yellow. Finally, reconnect the battery, Red. Now, Dandy, start the engine.
Okay, Gecko. Hooray! It worked! Thanks for saving the day, Mechanicals. You're our heroes!
You fixed Fiona at garage school and showed that learning is super cool. Goodbye, everyone.
Look, Red, here comes Cat now. The new winter skids we fitted on Helena helicopter will help her land safely on the snow.
Yeehaw! You did it, Helena.
Hello, Cat.
Hola, Gecko.
Look, Red. Carrie and Barry are building a snowman.
Hey, wahaha.
Spinning screwdrivers. They're drifting away.
Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck. Don't worry, twins. We'll save you.
Grab on, Carrie.
Yes. Cat, can you try and reach Barry?
No problema. Vamos, Helena. Got you.
Push the button, Red.
We did it. It's a shame we couldn't save the snowman too. Gecko? Whoops. Lo siento.
That's okay, Cat. We got a snowman after all. Or a snow gecko anyway.